So this morning here, we're milling up some sweet gum. Everybody around here calls it trash trees. And this is our 48 by 30. I mean 48 inches wide by 40 foot long. Now, let me show you what it looks like after you cut sweet gum and you let it sit out for a year to 2 years, and this is what it turns into. You tell me that's a trash tree, I'll take this trash all day long. I mill a lot of sweet gum. And look, this is what it looks like right here. So, those who think sweet gum is trash, they're absolutely batshit crazy. Let's let it cut a little bit. It cuts real easy. I'm cutting slow right now, but if you look at how beautiful, absolutely beautiful this wood is. Yeah. I've got a lot of sweet gum logs we're going to mill up today. Because it's so pretty. Let you guys see exactly how pretty the sweet gum is. Everybody watching this on YouTube, you can understand why we mill it. Trash tree, huh? I'll take that trash all day long.